Here we've got a nice, beautiful looking young juvenile male going through his transformation, trying to get the right light. He's not that skittish, this little fella. Get right up close, you can see the transformation in the colouring, going from the all green, slowly going over to the red head. He's been coming for about a week, 10 days. And I'm standing a foot, 2 foot at most away from him. Evelyn says 1 foot. The camera's about a foot away from him, that's for sure. Mostly when you see these birds in your backyard, you tend to see them fully developed. That's Jack coming up behind. This is one-eyed Jack. He's become the master of the territory. He's blind in the right eye, rules the roost. If I can get around there, let me show you a photo of his bad eye. There you go. Loves his almonds. He's been coming for 3-4 years now. We've seen him in shocking states where he's been attacked and he's had his face cut open. But he always, thank goodness, seems to recover. And he's as faithful as a lapdog, this one. First one here every morning. Will not tolerate any of the other birds. He was partnered up with another bird that oddly enough we call Jill. Jack and Jill, get it? But Jill went on and partnered up with Lopsy. He's another rescue bird that we released. He comes from time to time. Haven't seen him for a few days. And having thought Jack was a male, we now believe he's a female. Or she's a female. And here we go. This is a morning where we've got that young king parrot in the background. And Jack enjoying his breakfast. No, Jack, I'm not interested in you at the moment. He has a habit of nipping Evelyn, so she's not too keen on him. Evelyn, my glasses. But as I was trying to say before, most people would see these king parrots in their backyard in the adult form, either fully olive green or with the red chest and head. Many people would not have seen it as they are going through their transformation. And here you are. There's another couple of young ones with a fully developed redness. I'll see if I can get the video of them. I think I've done a video of them already once. Okay, Junior, we've got to go and look after the rest of our birds. They're all calling out, as you can probably hear in the background.